Hi everybody, Jared here from PPCCampaignGenerator.com. I wanted to share with you an Excel tool that I've been working on. So this tool allows you to label your keywords. If you've ever had a keyword list and you wanted a quick way to assign a label to each keyword based on the content of that keyword, then this tool is extremely flexible and it's pretty easy to use. And best of all, it's in Excel, so it's really quick. So we have this ad group column and we have this keyword column. The way I first started out was I went out, got a list of keywords from the Google AdWords keyword tool, put it into this column here, and then in this column we have a crazy formula here. I won't go into the details of this formula, but essentially what you can do is you see this 110. If you want to edit that to handle a longer area here, then you can just change this 110 to whatever you want, however far down you need to go. And that's for super long keyword lists. For example, if you think of negative keywords, you could have thousands. So you might want to just be aware that you can edit this formula. And also another thing to note is that this formula is an array formula. You'll notice the squiggly braces around it. If you try and edit this formula, let's say I just hit enter, okay, and you'll notice this formula contains the squiggly braces. The one I just edited does not. The reason is you have to hit Control-Shift-Enter, and now the squiggly braces will be around that formula, and that's important. So let me show you how this tool works. Let's just look at this first keyword. It's a space condo, and it's assigned the label condo, which is right here. Now, what the formula did was it looked for any whole word within this keyword here. So, for example, it's going to look for a, and then it's going to look for space, and it's going to look for condo, and it's going to look for those values anywhere in this area. And where it finds any one of those, it's going to assign the label that's up here at the top. So in this situation, it found the word condo in the condo here, this label group, and it assigned the condo name or label. In PPC terms, you can think of these labels as your ad groups. So these are just groupings or classifications that you want to assign if a keyword contains a certain text, if you will. So let me drop down this formula here, and you can see we have some uncategorized keywords. That means that this keyword didn't meet any of the criteria found in here, and so we need to figure out what to do with that. Is it not relevant? Should it be in a category? Well, this keyword is APT for sale. So APT is an apartment abbreviation, so I have an apartment group here. If I put APT, you'll notice that this keyword now was assigned the apartment label. And so what we can do is simply sort this by ad group Z to A, and that'll sort all the uncategorized keywords or unclassified keywords to the top of this list. And now you can try and figure out, are these keywords relevant? Should they be in a group? For example, we see condominium for sale. As you know, I have a condo group, so let's add condominium, and then you can see it's assigned the label condo. Another thing we can do, and what makes this tool so powerful, is that you can add your own groups. So if we want to add a group right before apartment, we just hit Control-Shift+, and what do we want to call this group? We'll just say sale. These are people looking for houses on sale. So I assign sale, so any keyword that contains the whole word sale is going to get the sale label. And we can see that that happened here. And this is kind of how it works. I mean, you can find a whole bunch of different ways to scale your paid search using this tool. What's nice is, if you think about it, you have a search query report. You can take all those keywords, throw them in here, and if you already have taken the time to build out this algorithmic or systematic process of labeling your keywords, then you will immediately be able to find what keywords are relevant and what aren't. In other words, the keywords that aren't labeled from your search query report might not be relevant because they would be in the uncategorized group. So this tool is free to download by visiting ppccampaigngenerator.com. Thanks a lot.